Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Kakin hon Nongñiah Thuk kalawan poy hakani ka Nongbah, Haka Sngi balang hadian ka Jingïaid Lynti ka balay pusan Sngi nadu bakilamit na Nongbah Delhi. Ïaki lapanong da katanat Sport and Youth Affairs jong ka Sarkar Pdeng, bat ka All India Motorbike Expedition Hajar Puar, kabalang shibantaban rakhi ya kalingko jingdap nyo pusan snem ka Jingïaid ka jinglat luat ka ri India, lane ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. Kitay Nongñiah Thuk ki badan nyo pusan ngot na kijala baper jong kari, kilala ban Pyndep ya khanyo tali kijala, bat kinhap ban Pyndep yang sa khanyo tali kijala ha kisawpo Sngi ki badang sa, haswa bakin lit pai biang sa Nongbah Delhi. Kani ka kunhun kalapoy siya kani ka Nongbah lingba ka Kylleng, East Giant Hills, hadin balapoy ha kani ka Nongbah ya kani ka kunhun lapan kupuram ha ka Slam Jingïaid jong ka SAI Training Center Shillong, Haka balaya don nang USP City ubak Vivek CM kumukongsan, kumjo Deputy Director ke SAI Regional Center Guwahati Upranjit Bagabati, bak dirap sang DYC ke NYKS, bak PB War Nongbah Deputy Director ke Tanat Yelekai, bat kiway. Kani ka kunhun kan mi na kani ka Nongbah Haka Sngi thok ding, pandai cokol kata bat ruban Pyndep ikiway pat kijala ke badang sa.
Places to end this.
Your philosophy of life is something we should follow.
Maybe. पहले कुर्सी भी खसड़ दे.
Coming to my background, why Sir has said that I have got some inspiration from him, and I want to share his views about this ride or something. Coming to my background, I'm a double post-graduation student, and I was a pre-Ranji cricket player. I played for Odisha before Ranji nets, and before going to Ranji, I met with an accident, and I lost my both legs, and I am now surviving with artificial limbs. In my very young age, at around 23, 24, I lost my legs. Imagine how the situation will be. Okay? So from there, I never depressed. By God's grace, some motivations and some inspirational stories I read and all these things. After that, I completed my MBA. I was pursuing MBA at that time. Completed my MBA with wheelchair. Why I am saying this? At the end of the speech, you will come to know why this I am sharing. So I completed my MBA, 2 years MBA, by sitting on wheelchair. Okay. After that, I completed my MBA and I मैं क्या आर्टिफिशियल लिम्स के साथ खड़ा हुआ, धीरे धीरे चलना शुरू किया. I walk and then once again I learned how to ride bike with artificial limbs. After that, I got a job in a bank. After working for 3 years, I fed up with job and boss. Then I left it. After that, I started my own business. A lot of people said you would have worked in the bank because you can sit in an AC room and have a wonderful life. But always I said one thing, that if होता ना शेर का अगर भूख लगेगा तो वो कभी घास.
Most important is why you ride, the philosophy behind why you ride from one place to the other. And it's just not the theme of 75 years of independence. It's a theme of living life, of living and seizing every moment. And by seizing every moment, we are positive, we are living. And when we live, we perform, we are healthy, We think good things. We do good things to others. हमारा सोच, हमारा चलने का ढंग, हमारा बोलने का ढंग, everything becomes very good. When you see the world, these bikers, I can make an analogy. It's like they are climbing up a mountain, and as you climb a mountain, you can see more and more. And I'm sure the philosophy of all these bikers is Bara Dil, Bara Soch, not petty. And that's why they want to travel and see the world. They see the diversity in this country. I think you've traversed through many states now that I'm still yet to go. You've seen so many states, every state being different, the culture, the landscape, the food,